Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am sharing with you what I eat in a day. My name is Marissa for those of you who may be new around here. I'm a pharmacist and health coach, and here on my channel, I love to share a lot of healthy food inspiration along with different ways that you can improve your health on a daily basis. I love to eat healthy food because it helps me feel my best, but I also believe that there needs to be balance in our diet. So what you are going to see throughout the video is just me eating like a lot of healthy foods because again, I really enjoy eating those. I love the way that they taste. I also love the way that they make me feel, but I am not like following any one particular like restrictive diet. I don't count calories. I don't count macros, which is going to be your carbs, fats, and proteins. I really try to eat intuitively and listen to my body and just kind of like how I'm feeling in the moment and what my body is craving and try to listen and tune into that. So I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video and get some healthy food inspiration from it. Be sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and let's go. Hello everyone, good morning. So I am about to head off to the gym, but I have not had anything to eat or drink yet. So before I go, I'm going to drink a little bit of water and I'm going to eat a banana on the way there. And then when I come home, I'm gonna have a more like filling, complete breakfast. Before I work out, I don't like to eat anything like super heavy because then I usually end up with a stomach cramp and then it kind of just disrupts my, like the workout and I don't get a great workout in. But I have noticed also that like if I don't eat anything, like I feel like I'm gonna faint halfway through, and usually like if I get up really quickly, I'll like black out a little bit. So I need to have a little something in my system. So I have found that banana works really great for me. And yeah, so I'm gonna drink this and then I'm gonna go get that done, and then I will be back for a more complete breakfast. Hey guys, so I just got home. I got my cozy sweater on because it's cold outside. And while I was at the gym, I realized that I actually had to run a couple errands like right away, and I wanted to just get that over with early in the day. So I got gas, I got some groceries, I got a couple other things done. So now it is getting kind of close to lunch. So I think I'm gonna make like a brunch item, make it kind of like big and just kind of combine maybe breakfast and lunch together right now. So I'm thinking about doing like an egg omelet. That just sounds so good. So I'm going to get my groceries put away and then I'm going to get cooking. I'm unpacking my groceries right now and I have no idea how my cat just instinctively knows when there's cold cuts in the house. But he's like giving me the look, like give it to me now. We're gonna give him a little piece. Come on, bite it. Oh. You didn't do so. There we go. If you guys are wondering what this is the Boar's Head Golden Classic Chicken Breast. It's one of my favorites. That is good. I don't usually buy cold cuts because they're pretty expensive, but I have some housework happening tomorrow and I'm just not gonna have a lot of time, so I just want something really easy. So it's kind of like a little special treat. I also got some Munster, which I very rarely buy this. So again, special treat, but it just sounded really good and I was there. So I'm just gonna eat half a piece because I like it when it's like really fresh the first day that you get it. I also had some leftover roasted sweet potato and some steamed broccoli, so I threw that in as well. So right here I was making the viral egg tortilla wrap, and I have made this before on like a YouTube short, but I wanted to make it again, and I was filming it, and it was funny because it did not flip like I wanted it to, and I just wanted to leave this in here because it just to show you guys, like, I mess up all the time in the kitchen, and just laugh it off, patch it up. It's all about the recovery. And as Julia Child said, you know, when you're alone in the kitchen, who's to see? So just patch it up, keep going, and it will still taste amazing. And this definitely did. But I left this in here because it definitely made me laugh, and hopefully it provided you some humor as well. So I'm going to roll this up. I usually make this with just one egg. So it's probably 2 eggs is probably too much for it, but I'm still gonna attempt it. And then I just wanted to show you guys, this is the brand that I usually buy for tortilla wraps. It's my absolute favorite. It tastes really good. And the ingredient list is actually, it's not perfect, but it's fairly good, or at least healthier than the majority of what you can see out there these days. And then, sorry, I had an alarm go off telling me to remember to post my new YouTube short. All right, go take a look at that. All right, so then I have a decaf tea right over here in my really pretty new mug. I love this mug. I designed it. It's on my new Etsy shop, and I think it's so cute. So it has orange or red. It comes in red as well on the inside, and then the handle is on that color as well. And then it says fall is proof that change is beautiful, with some beautiful fall leaves. And then on the other side, I have these like really pretty fall leaves on the other side. The sweatshirt that I am wearing right now is also from my new Etsy shop. And if you guys didn't know, I opened up an Etsy shop maybe like 3 or 4 weeks ago at this point. And I've been like filling it with some really cute like seasonal designs on mugs, crew necks, t-shirts. And I have Halloween, I have fall, I have Christmas, I have some just general winter stuff. And I also put up some stuff for spring. And I think it's all super cute, and I love it. And it just kind of like gives you a little something fun and festive to wear as you enjoy the holiday season. So if you guys want to go ahead and check it out, there will be a link in the description box for it. And now back to my viral egg tortilla wrap here. This thing wrapped up very well, as you can see, and it held together very nicely, which I was quite surprised about. And it tasted delicious. It was filled with so many healthy vegetables and nutrients, especially with the egg yolk. I always make sure to eat the egg yolk. I am a big fan of the egg yolk, and it was really good. I highly recommend making this if you are looking for a new way to make some scrambled eggs. Hey you guys, so it is about 4 o'clock, and I am about to have a snack, and I'm going to share with you what that is. So I am having a yogurt bowl for my snack today, and this is the yogurt that I have. Siggi's is like my favorite, and I get the plain one. And then on here, I just put like a nice handful of my trail mix that I made in my healthy snacks video. And then I put on a dash of cinnamon, and then I did a nice drizzle of this honey, and then of course strawberries right on top. I'm also going to have some pretzels, and I really like to get the Snyder's brand. The other one, which I can't even remember the name of, which I never buy it. The other one contains high fructose corn syrup in the ingredient list, which is just something that I personally try to avoid. This one does have some sugar in there, I believe. It has like a tapioca malt syrup, and it has cane sugar in here. So there is sugar in here, but it's not high fructose corn syrup, which is important to me. So I'm going to eat that. And then I also have a couple drinks here. So this right here is my like wellness daily mocktail drink. This is my Ningxia Red, and it's like an ounce of Ningxia, and then I filled it up the rest of the way with water, and I have some ice in there. So I'm gonna have that. And then I bought this while I was at the grocery store today. I usually really love to get the fresh pressed juices from like Whole Foods, but I did not have time to go down there today. And this was actually on sale. So I'm going to give this a try and hopefully it's good. It has a lot of the similar like ingredients, actually just a couple extra than the one that I love to get from Whole Foods. The one I get from Whole Foods, if you're curious, it's called Green Lemonade. So good. So I'm gonna give this a try. Hopefully it's something similar, but in here, it's got apple, celery, cucumber, kale, collard greens, and it's paired with lemon, ginger, spinach, chlorella, and spirulina. So definitely really good. And I think that's all that's in there. And it's organic, no preservatives, no added flavors, vegan, all that stuff. So I'm gonna give this a try. Hopefully it's good. You know what? Let's just do a taste test on camera. That might be fun. All right, here we go. Cheers. Woo! It's really green. It's good. I like it. I really like it. The difference though between this and the one from Whole Foods is the one from Whole Foods is sweeter. And this definitely tastes like there's much more greens in it than the one from Whole Foods, but it's really good and I like it. So I'm going to drink this. Not all of it, probably just like maybe half. There we go. And a little while later, it was time to make some dinner and I was craving a warm, cozy, comforting chili. So that's what I made. And I really love to make chili just because I feel like it's very customizable. You just kind of start with like a base recipe and then whatever you have on hand, you can kind of throw in. So today I had red bell pepper, I had tomato. Other times I'll have green bell pepper or I'll have zucchini. You can really just customize it to what you have on hand. If you have beans, you can add that in there. I didn't have that today, but I love to add red kidney beans. You can also add black beans. So really customizable and it's really fun to make. Also sipped on some warm apple cider that I just heated up in the microwave and it was so good, definitely good for the soul. I had some tomato paste left over from a previous recipe, so I wanted to use that up, and so I added a very, very generous tablespoon of that into this chili, and I really liked it. I'm gonna start doing this from now on because I feel like it just gave it really good like depth of flavor. Then I added in my usual spices that I do for a taco or a chili, which is oregano. I had paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, cumin, and some chili powder. Gave that all a good stir, and then this is what it looked like when it was all done. And then I like to serve mine with just some shredded lettuce. You can also put some shredded cheese on there, but I didn't have any, so I just kind of went without the cheese, and it was still really, really good. So I ate this, and then once I was done with this, I wanted a little something extra, so I made a soft shell taco to enjoy, and it was unbelievably delicious. And then I ended the night with this decadent chocolate ice cream cone. All right, you guys, so that is all I have for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed it and got some healthy food inspiration from it. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel, and also let me know down below in the comment section of any future video ideas that you would like to see from me. And if you are looking for some healthy, easy to make recipes, then 1, make sure that you are subscribed because I share a lot of them here on my channel. And 2, you can check out my cookbook. It's called Eating to Nourish the Body and Soul. And in here, I share my staple recipes with you guys. I make these over and over again every week, and they are some of my most beloved and my favorites, and friends and family absolutely love them too. So I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think of it down below in the comment section. And remember that the time is now to get well, be well, and stay well. I will see you in the next video. Bye.